Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Be a Better Landlord. Are you thinking about renting out your home? Whether moving or renting out a room or testing the waters of real estate, becoming a landlord can help you generate passive income and build equity, but only if you do it right. In this video, I'll walk you through how to rent out your own house. We'll go over a few things like why are you renting it out, preparing your property, finding tenants, screening them, generating leases, and collecting rent. These are all really important things, and more than anything, you want to manage it like a pro. So stick around and we'll cover everything you need to know. First, the most important part when you're considering renting out your place is understanding why. Why are you renting out your house? Having a clear reason and a goal make all the difference. Are you temporarily relocating? Are you turning it into a long-term investment? Did you inherit this property and you got to figure out something to do with it? You already tried to sell it, but maybe the market wasn't right and you want to hold it for a little more time. Are you just testing the waters of the real estate market, trying to see what you can do and learn? Or are you taking advantage of rising rent costs in your area and you think this is a way to make some extra money? Understanding that reason will determine what types of tenants you want to go after and the type of lease agreement you're going to need to decide to use. So for example, if you're just relocating for a few months, it's some sort of temporary relocation, you're probably going to want to find a midterm tenant looking for a fully furnished place. That way you don't have to move all of your stuff out and they can leave when you need to come back. Kind of the timing would be perfect in that situation. On the other hand, if you're looking for a long-term investment, you'll need tenants with great credit scores looking for a long-term lease. That way you have less turnover and you have consistent rent coming in. Before you start to think about renting out your place, learn if you can. Don't start before you know if renting your place is possible, according to your HOA or local laws. And if you don't have one, check the laws in your area. Pay attention to landlord-tenant laws because those could affect your decision. Look into rental leasing requirements for your area and, are there any inspection requirements that you need to know? Once you're clear, then start doing some math. This is the fun part. Are you going to make money? So first, start crunching the numbers and take into consideration the following to understand how the finances are going to work for you. Are you going to break even? Will you get positive cash flow after a few months, every month? Do you need this money to help fund other things? Understanding that goal is pretty critical on how you make these decisions. So things that I would look into: how much does your mortgage cost? What are your property taxes? Do you have maintenance costs or do you think that you'll have some? What do you think they'll be? Factor those in. What are your insurance costs? And realize that you can't have homeowners insurance if you're a landlord. You need actual landlord insurance, which we do help provide if you're interested. So make sure the rent you charge covers all the costs that we just talked about. And we also offer a rent estimate calculator for free that helps you check all the prices in your area. If the rent's too high, your property's going to sit vacant and you're going to lose money every month. If it's too low, you're going to be leaving money on the table. You have to find that perfect balance to make sure that this investment is a good investment for you. Once you figure out the costs, start getting the place ready. Go into deep cleaning. Make sure it's really clean for your tenant. Fix anything that's broken. It's a lot easier to maintain these things when no one's there versus working with a tenant that's occupying the place. Make sure the yard's in a good place. Add a fresh coat of paint can really go a long way and also be really valuable when you show the place. Check smoke detectors, locks, lighting, all the little things that are just easier to do when no one's there. And the better your house looks, the better tenants you're going to find. Then it's time to market the place. Now that all the work is done, put it on the market and let's start finding a tenant. Take great photographs. The better your place looks online, the better tenants you're going to bring to your place. Try and take clean, bright, wide-angle shots of the property. Make it look the best it can. TurboTenant helps with these things. It can help you list your property. When you list your property, we'll use an AI tool to help you write the description and the title to get the best eyes on it. And then once you push it out into the world, we're actually syndicated to dozens of websites. All of those leads will come to one place for you so you can manage all of the interested parties in one place. So you start getting all of these leads now that you listed your property. Now it's time to screen your tenant. Using TurboTenant will help you do a background check, criminal history, credit report, eviction history. We'll make sure that all of these people are who they say they are and they're the right tenant for you. And most importantly, always follow fair housing laws and don't discriminate against anybody because that could cause you some problems down the line. Screening is critical because the wrong tenant can cause significant harm and tons of headaches. There's unpaid rent problems, could have property damage, reputational damage, tons of messages at the wrong time of night that can ruin your day. Don't let that happen. Find the right tenant and screen them before they move in. Once you find them, though, make sure that you have the right lease. A lease is a legally binding document that sets forth the rules and obligations for you and your tenant. Make sure it's airtight to protect yourself and your investment. TurboTenant's Lease Builder works for all 50 states and easily helps you set the lease term, whether it's fixed or month to month. It sets the right amount for rent and the due date for that time, any late fees, rules and obligations. Also spells out the maintenance responsibilities. Who's responsible for the lawn, for paint, things like that. And then sometimes things happen. There's an early termination clause. Make sure that's written out and protects you and your tenant, and everyone has a clear understanding of what that is. And then finally, move-out terms. This person might not live there forever. It's good to have all the right stuff set in place for you before they move in. Then e-sign it from anywhere is just so much more convenient than finding a time to coordinate to sign it, sending things in the mail. It's 2025. We can do it online. Now it's time to move your tenant in. Here's the opportunity to capture the condition of your house before the tenant moves in. A condition report is a report that will help with any security deposit disputes in the future. So TurboTenant provides a digital condition report. You can store this securely in the cloud, and it allows you to take photographs of all the different rooms and different aspects of the home that you want to document. And you can write notes, and this eliminates all the paperwork that can get lost a year later, 2 years later when they move out. Having it all in one place just makes everything so much easier. Now all your hard work will finally start paying off because it's time to start collecting rent. TurboTenant's online rent collection service allows tenants to pay online from anywhere, and they can pay in the way that they prefer, whether that's an ACH or bank transfer, debit card, credit card. We want to make it easy for you to get the money into your account. You can set up automatic reminders for them and set up auto pay so that money automatically gets charged if they're willing to do that. And then if they are late, we do automatic late fees, so you don't have to worry about being the bad guy and saying, hey, you're late and there's a fee. We take care of that. Best part, it's free for landlords, and we'll transfer the money into your bank account automatically. Most importantly, you should manage your property like a professional. Be responsive, have good records, handle repairs quickly, and communicate in a really easy manner, which TurboTenant can do through its platform. Whether you have a laptop or smartphone, you're on the go, anywhere you are, TurboTenant can make all of these processes so easy for you. Ultimately, renting out your house can be a great financial move, but remember to treat it like a business. Your tenant is your business partner and your customer. Make sure to respect their rights and promptly address any of their concerns, and do it as early as possible. So, subscribe to our channel and we'll talk about other great ways to learn how to be a better landlord. Even better, sign up for a free account on TurboTenant.com and start marketing and renting your property today.